Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, today we have a Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's a V10 Animal, and there is I forget what it's called. It's called a dustbin fixed ring assembly. Here it is here, and this clip is broken. And it's a retaining clip to hold this rubber in place on this fixture. You can't fix this, it won't go back together. We had to contact our friends at Amazon, which provided us with a little repair pack right here for about $20. Oh, look at that. It comes with a little screwdriver and a little replacement Torx bit. We'll just empty that out right there. Oh, it's even a magnetic tip. That's handy. And let's take a look at what they sent us. Oh, there it is here. I can tell the rubber is not quite the same quality, but let's hope that this fits. We're going to put this back into our system here. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. This has a small little nub that comes up, and it fits into this little clear plastic hole on the inside here. So we want to, can you see that? There we go. And we are going to there, you heard the snap, it's in place, so we just have to put that little Torx screw, with the handy little screwdriver they sent, and it's magnetic, so we're going to put that in there. That's the repair of the piece put in there. We're going to put this back together, and now this baby is ready to move. And we're going to be able to suck up all that stuff. So again, this little kit, there it is. Of course, it's made in China, sent out by our friends at Amazon. And that's what it actually looks like. It's an easy little fix, a little pernickety, but anybody can do it. If you like what you've seen, press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.